Wait, stop.
Sick. Whoa! Oh, look, it's like little fire fucking flies. Holy shit, that looks so fucking cool. Dude, what the fuck is that? Dude, do it more.
You gotta be closer. Shake it, dude. No, shake it before you spray it.
Do the lighter fluid more. That is fucking awesome.
At the bottom. Let's see if we can go down the stairs. What's up? Fuck you, grass.
Rain.